Okay, so for this problem here, you guys are being asked to find the percent composition of oxygen inside sodium sulfate. And then the second question asks how many grams of oxygen are in 82 grams of sodium sulfate. So what I would do here is first take a look at sodium sulfate, and you guys want to come up with a chemical formula for that. Sodium has a +1 charge. Sulfate is SO4, which has a -2 charge. Okay. You guys want to switch, drop, and reduce the charges here. You get a 1 and a 2 here. Okay. And if you guys rewrote this, it would be Na2, SO4. Okay. So from here, whenever you guys are asked to do a percent composition problem, you're trying to find the percentage of oxygen divided by the mass of the whole thing of sodium sulfate. So to figure out the percentage of oxygen here, take a look at how many oxygens we have inside sodium sulfate. We have a total of 4, so I'm going to do 4 oxygens on top. Okay. And then I'm going to divide it by the mass of the whole entire thing, which is Na2, 1 sulfur, and 4 oxygens, and times that by 100. Okay. 4 oxygens, you guys know that oxygen weighs 16.00 times 4, so I'm going to get 64.00 on top. Okay. You're going to divide that by 2 sodiums, which is 22.99 times 2, plus sulfur, which is 32.07, plus 16 times 4 from the oxygens here. And you're going to get a total mass of 142.05. Okay, and if you calculate all that out with a total of 4 sig figs here, because I have 4 on top and I have 5 on the bottom, you're going to get 45.05%. which is the first part of your answer. Okay. The second part of your answer is going to ask for how many grams of oxygen you have in 82 grams of sodium sulfate. And this is the easy part of the problem. To get 2 grams of oxygen from 82 grams of sodium sulfate, you're just going to take the percent that you got, which is 45.05, and turn it into a decimal form by moving it 2 places to the left. And we're going to multiply that by how many grams we have in our sample, which is 82 grams. Okay. If you multiply that out with 2 significant figures here, because we have 82, it's going to come out to 37 grams. And that is the answer for the second part of our problem.